Welcome to this session. Today, we're going to be talking about dashboards. So as you can see on my screen, we have a dashboard here, and these are very useful just at a quick glance, whatever information you need to see to prepare yourself for that day. And so we're going to talk about how we can edit these dashboards. So let's get into it. First of all, in a previous video, we talked about analytics and how to actually create these widgets. So if we click on analytics on the left again, so on the left, as you can see, we have different dashboards here. So we can actually create a new dashboard. And so we will just add the components that we want, and it will create a dashboard for us to use. Once we have that dashboard, we're going to go back to our home screen, and we're going to click the drop-down menu on the right-hand side, and we're going to click Customize Homepage. And from here, we're able to change the dashboards that we want to use. If we want to create a new home page, for example, then we'll choose one of the dashboards that we had in analytics. So you would just choose one of those. And we can select which components we want on this dashboard. And then you can move them around as well. So you can have them where you want them. And then you would just click save and share. And if you can give it a name here, and then you can share it with other people as well. So you don't only have to create your own dashboard, you can create a dashboard for someone else. So let's say this was for sales, then I would add the sales department and I would click save. And then that will be another option as a dashboard. And if we go back to the home page, we can toggle between these dashboards here. So if I want to switch it, then I would just click on it and it would switch the dashboard.